Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to make it origami Ganesha. For that, two color papers, turn it into square. Here two squares are there. Now first I am going to take it yellow color. Turn it half. Turn it into square. Turn it into triangle. Now this is ready. Now take it another square. Turn it into triangle. Again one more triangle. Turn it into square. Now open part should be lying upside. Turn it from the center. First fold, second fold, third fold, and lastly fourth fold. And a downside portion, turn it into triangle. So you will get it, open this portion, open this portion, open this portion, you will get a triangle at the center. Open it, fold it from the inside. Same thing on the back side. Here we did this. Now put it down from this corner. Extend it little bit outside. Same thing here. Again extend it little bit downside. Again extend it little bit downside. Here this is a trunk, this is a ears, this is a mukut. Now from this I am going to make it a body part. Here a straight fold for making the hand. Again straight fold. I'm folding back side. Now downside, downside, and from the center fold it at the front side, then a leg, stomach and hands. Now applying gum on the back side or on the body part. Here I stuck few gum on the back side. Here my Ganesha is done. Few marking on a Ganesha with a sketch pen. Any dark sketch pen you can take it. I'm going to take it red and brown. Brown for detailing. Here eyes of the Ganesha. Now going to take it red for showing the tilak. This is a trunk. This is a mugut. Where I am going to do design. Even at the back side. Now a small anklet in the ears, and here few necklace, and few lines for the dhoti. Here my Ganesha is ready. You can make it your own Ganesha. Even also you can display in a dark portion, so you can get it a nice effect. If you want to make it frame, you can put it like this. You can see here your Ganesha is ready. Thank you, friends.